Hey guys, Alex here at seekoptics.com, and today I'll be showing you how to remove and then reinstall lenses into a half rimless sports frame like this Oakley. First step is go ahead and open the temples, then place your hand on the bridge, place your other hand on the lens, pull the bridge upward until you hear a small snap. Pull the lens out of the frame, and there you go, you've removed it. Now we can repeat the process on the other side. Again, pull the bridge upward, hold the lens, pull it out. Now we've removed both lenses. How do we put it back together? Very simply, do the complete opposite. We're going to start with the outer edge, the temporal edge. We're going to put the notch into the slot and then push the lens upward until you hear a snap. And let's do the same thing on the other side. First the notch, align with the inner part. There you go. And always remember to use your microfiber cloth bag to clean the lenses to get rid of your fingerprints. And remember to visit us at seekoptics.com for great deals on sunglasses lenses. Thank you for watching. See you later.